still hear him coming.
Yeah.
Hey, Nelson. Yeah. That's okay? Hell yeah. I'm on Cougar. Oh, man. Oh. Can I take off over there? We're studying. Give me the ATU box. Give me the what? The ATU box that we took off the other one. Okay, let's see. Where should I put it? Alright. I'll put it in the back seat of the structure. Okay.